Have you ever tried to lose weight? Weight loss pills, slimming machines, sauna bells, slimming tea, and even slimming soap. I understand your pain. None of them work as they should. If you could just lie on a bed and eat a pill to lose weight, then why would any rich person be fat? The secret to true and sustainable weight loss is to eat healthy, eat more, and eat right. As per research, 80% of our weight loss is governed by what we eat. I hate unnecessary supplements, machines, and false promises as much as you do. My mantra is no lies, only honest weight loss. Truweight has a holistic approach to weight loss. We provide you 3 things as part of the program. Number 1, a personal health coach who will give you customized diet tips and will be your mentor and guide. Number 2, a kit of superfoods. We will ensure healthy eating through a range of 50 plus high protein, high fiber and nutrient dense superfoods. And number 3, scientific analysis, monitoring and access to an active weight loss community through our easy to use mobile app. Thousands of people have lost weight with us that stayed lost. Trust me, you will too. Take the first step and take control of your weight and your health. Start with an analysis of your current health parameters, your current food habits, and lifestyle choices. We will do all this through our service of health consultation at home. It is worth ₹1,500, but for a limited time, we're offering it absolutely free. And you don't even have to travel anywhere to avail it. Book your free health consultation today, take the right decision for your health, and get fitter and healthier with Truweight. Book it now.